Hello everyone, and welcome to the channel. In today's video, we're going to walk you through the updated process of enabling and setting up Instagram cross-posting directly to your Facebook account on an iPhone running the latest iOS 18. This feature is a fantastic way to save time and expand your reach by automatically sharing your Instagram content across both platforms. Let's dive right in. First, make sure you have the Instagram app installed and that you're logged into your account. Once you're ready, launch the Instagram app. Now, navigate to your profile by tapping on your profile icon located in the bottom right corner of your screen. Next, look to the top right corner and tap on the menu icon. This is represented by 3 short horizontal lines. In the Settings and Activity menu that appears, you'll need to scroll down until you find the section labeled Who Can See Your Content. Within this section, you'll see a list of options. Locate cross-posting and tap on it. On the following screen, you'll likely see the Facebook account that's currently associated with your Instagram profile. To proceed with setting up automatic sharing, tap on Account Center. You're now in the Sharing Across Profiles menu. Here, you'll see your Instagram account listed under Share From and your connected Facebook account under Share To. Now, to enable automatic sharing, look at the lower section under Automatically Share. You'll see toggles for your Instagram posts and your Instagram story. Simply tap each toggle to turn them on. If you also want to automatically share your Instagram Reels to Facebook, you'll see an option for your Instagram Reels. Tap on Setup next to it and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the setup process for Reels. Once you've enabled these settings, all your future Instagram posts, stories, and Reels, if you've set it up, will be automatically shared to your connected Facebook account. This streamlined process saves you valuable time and effort, allowing you to simultaneously share your content and effectively increase your reach across both platforms. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully enabled and configured Instagram cross-posting to your Facebook account on your iPhone running iOS 18. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please consider giving this video a like and subscribing to our channel for more helpful tips and tutorials. Let us know in the comments below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.